Hey you guys, this is Roman with Deer Park Farmstead. I'm going to give you a review on the Weston butchery case that we got. It's working out really well. It's that time of year to where you're going to be butchering your turkeys if you have your turkeys going. So it's definitely that time, and this is a great set. So I'll go through this Weston butchery kit. Okay, so the kit comes in this really nice case, and everything that comes in here is really nice, and it's packaged really well. Everything was put in this plastic. I had already used this, but everything's put in this plastic. So you can see here's your bone saw. It even comes with some extra blades here, so that's incredible, but it really did well. I halved a turkey, so that was yesterday, and it worked perfect for that. This is your sharpener right here. Yeah, there's your sharpener, blade sharpener. And here are your knives. So far, I've just used this knife, and it is perfect. It can help me with pretty much everything. I did use this as well for certain parts of the turkey, and that worked as well. I haven't used the rest of these knives yet, but look at all these. These are just great knives. I just found that this was a really helpful one right here. This also is perfect, these shears for cutting any hard to cut things. I haven't used these yet, but I look forward to using that as well for any, perhaps cartilage that might be a little difficult with the knife. So yes, it's packaged really nicely, and these come already really sharp. I had no problem using this right away. I did use a piece of paper, and I just kind of did a little cut with it, and it did really well. So that kind of gave me a little judgment on whether I needed to sharpen it right away. And yeah, I didn't. It was already in perfect use already. I just kind of cleaned it up a little, and I went ahead and used it. There's a feather from the last harvest. Now, these work great for large birds, so I highly recommend this for birds. I don't go out and hunt for large game, although I would recommend this for large game as well. It certainly can do it, but I don't know if this knife would probably suffice for a larger game. But these are good for birds and doing your small game animals. That should suffice for that. I also wanted to let you guys know we have shirts available. These say DPF, Deer Park Farmstead, Washington. So if you guys want to order them, please let me know. We've got some large and extra large right now, so let me know if you guys want to order them. We're going to be doing a few more turkeys this weekend, and I really feel confident with this kit. You can get these for $35 at your local Tractor Supply. I got it at North 40. It's our local place here, and it was $35. So you should be able to find it. It's the Weston butchery kit. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Be well.